How do I preview my tax return online on TaxAct? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you preview your tax return online on TaxAct. In order to preview your tax return online in TaxAct before filing, follow the steps. First of all, log into your TaxAct account by navigating to taxact.com and hit enter in your web browser. Once logged in, you should see an option to access or continue working on your tax return. Click on the option to open your return. TaxAct will display your tax return organized by the sections such as income, deductions, and credits. Review each section carefully to ensure all the information is accurate and complete. Then after, look for an option or button that allows you to preview your tax return. This option is typically located towards the end of your tax preparation process after you have entered all your information. Then, click on the preview option to generate a preview of your tax return. TaxAct will show you a summary of your return, including your total income, deductions, credits, and tax liability or refund amount. Carefully review the preview of your tax return to ensure that everything is accurate and as expected. Check for any errors or discrepancies that may need correction. And in case you notice any errors or if you need to make changes to your tax return, you can navigate back to the relevant sections to make adjustments. After reviewing your tax return, you can choose to save a copy for your records or print a hard copy if needed. Once you are satisfied with the tax return and have reviewed the preview, you can proceed with the filing it electronically through the TaxAct platform. By following these simple steps, you can preview your tax return online in TaxAct to ensure accuracy and completeness before filing. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions during the preview process, TaxAct Help Resources or Customer Support team can provide assistance. So this is basically on how can you preview your tax return online on TaxAct. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.